Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Apurva Gavne, student of first year Diploma in Computer Engineering of Zeal Polytechnic, Pune. My subject is Programming in C. My project topic is Library Management System under the guidance of Professor Sonali Shirke ma'am. So, let's begin. Integrated Library System. An integrated library system, also known as the library management system, is an enterprise resource planning system for a library used to track items owned, order made, bills paid, and patron who have borrowed. An ILS usually comprises a relation database software to interact with the database and to graphically user interfaces. Most ILS separate software functioning in the discrete programs called modules, each of them integrated with unified interface. Example of modules might include acquisitions, cataloging, circulation, serials, online public access catalog or OPAC. Library management. Library management is a sub-discipline of institutional management that focuses on specific issues faced by libraries and library management professionals. Library management encompasses normal management tasks as well as intellectual freedom of producing responsibilities. The basic functions of library management include overseeing all library operations, managing library budgets, etc. The next is common library construct. Most of the libraries that store physical media like books, periodicals, films and other objects adhere to some derivative of the Debye decimal system as their method of tagging, storing and retrieving materials based on unique identifiers. A master catalog acts as a catalog of all domain of topic specific catalogs and often directs the users to a more specific area of library when the use confines a more specific domain catalog, for example, upon entering a very large library. Domain catalogs are usually made up of system of very large libraries where a master catalog cannot hold all the system information. As a result, the master catalog leads to user to domain catalog that contains homogeneous reference to specific artifacts that fall within the categories or domain assigned to that catalog. Next is planning and maintaining library facilities. An important aspect of library management is planning and maintaining library facilities. Successfully planning is defined as active planning of ensures an organization will have the right people in the right place at the right time for right job. Planning the construction of new libraries or recommendations that exist in interim since users' needs are often changing. The sites for new construction must be founded, then building must be designed, constructed and eventually evaluated. Once established, it is important that the building is regularly maintained. Now the last one is association and publications. The Library Leadership and Management is a division for the American Library Association that provides readers with webinars, conferences and variety of industry publications, in addition to function through awards and grants. The General Library Administration began in 1980 and currently published by Routledge 8 times per year. It is a peer-reviewed academic journal that discusses issues pertaining to library management. Thank you.